Hi everyone, today we are talking about supplementary angles. This is the video that goes along with assignment number 15, and you need to know that the definition of supplementary angles is when you have two angles that add to 180 degrees. Supplementary is when you have two angles that add up to be 180 degrees. So let's first make sure you understand what a 180 degree angle is. And I bet those of you that skateboard or snowboard or maybe do tricks on your bike, you know what it means to do 180 degree turn. If you start over here and you turn your entire body or your entire skateboard or your entire bike 180 degrees, you face exactly the opposite direction. A 180 degree angle is really just a straight angle or a straight line. So anytime you see a straight line, you know that's 180 degrees all the way around to the other side. Now, if you look at this example over here, I have an angle that measures 50 degrees. I want to know what the missing angle is. Well, notice under here, we have a straight line. That means that whole thing must be 180 degrees. That means those two angles are supplementary. They're also called a linear pair because they form a straight line. So if I know this angle's 50 and I know that angle has to add up with it to give you 180, I can just do 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, and this angle in here would have to be 130 degrees. If I have this problem, two angles are supplementary and one angle measures 110 degrees and I want to know what the other angle measures, again, we know supplementary means they add up to be 180 degrees. So if one angle is 110 and I know they're supplementary or they add up to be 180, I can just do 180 degrees minus 110 degrees, and the other angle must measure 70 degrees. Last example. Here I have a linear pair. I know they're a linear pair because they form a straight line down there. That means they're going to be supplementary or they're going to add up to be 180 degrees. So if you're asked to find x, we could set up an equation. 4x minus 12 plus x plus 17 is going to have to equal 180 degrees. We can combine our like terms. We have 4x plus a 1x, which is 5x. Remember, that's a negative 12 plus 17, so that's a positive 5 equals 180. Now I can get x alone by subtracting both sides by 5. And I get 5x equals 175. Divide both sides by 5. And x equals 35. Now for today, that's all you'll be asked to do with a problem like this. But on the next assignment, assignment 16, you'll be asked to plug 35 back in for x so you can figure out what each angle measures. I hope that helps for today. Remember, supplementary means they add up to be 180 degrees and they form that straight line. If you have any questions, please let me know.